back to another episode with At Home with Sue. Sorry I haven't been around in a while. I've been dealing with some issues with my neck. We'll be going into surgery next month to have 2 discs replaced. So today we're just going to do a quick video on how to make chicken wings in the Foodi. So first, sorry about the camera. It's not going to be on the tripod. So like I said, quick video. So we're going to add about a half a cup of, this is chicken stock. We're just going to throw that in, and I'm just basically doing this video to show my kids how to cook for me because I won't be doing any cooking next month until my neck heals. So we're going to throw some chicken wings in there. It's about 7 of them. So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn the Foodi on. We're going to put it on pressure, on high. The lid, before you start it, obviously. Put your lid on. Make sure your setting is on seal. Okay, now we're gonna put the timer on. Let's put this on 5 minutes. Hit the start button. I'll let that go. Okay, so with that's doing its little cycle thing, we're gonna let that come up to pressure. We'll be back once that is done pressure cooking. See you in a bit. Okay, so the Foodi just got done about 7 seconds ago, and right now we're gonna reach back here and flip our little lever to a quick release. Okay, so this is done releasing its pressure. We're gonna take the top off. Take the top off, you just turn it to counterclockwise. Let a little bit of the moisture down. Be careful not to burn yourself. Now those started out as frozen. I'm not sure, oh, a little bit of fog. I'm not sure if I told you that at the beginning. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of paper towel and just give those a quick little blot, just to dry them up just a little bit. We're going to take our crispin lid, and that's how we're going to take, And first we're going to put some barbecue sauce on those. Now it can be any flavor barbecue sauce that you like. I'm going to try to do this and video at the same time. No tripod today. Like I said, I'm just winging it. Oh Jesus, get it? Winging it. That was not on purpose. Corny, I know, but you know. So we're just gonna do this, coat them all on one side for now. We'll come back, add some more barbecue sauce on the other side when we flip them. And at this point you're just gonna, oh my goodness, I hit the pause button somehow. At this point you're gonna just crisp them up to your liking. It can be extra crispy or not so crispy, but don't overcook because they will dry out. Sorry about the arm. Now we're just going to reset this now. Go to air crisp. You want 390, and we're going to set the time. We're just going to hit that for 20 minutes and hit the start button and just let that go, and we'll check back periodically. See you in a few. Okay, so that's been crisping up for a little bit. Let's check them. See how they're doing. All right, so now those look good that way. I'm going to flip all of those and put some barbecue sauce on the other side. So they will stick a little bit because I did not add any oil. Flip all of those. These are going to be like crisping for like 5 minutes on each side. And don't forget, when you're using the crisper, this guy here, you do have to preheat it. So it's going to take, you know, I say 5 minutes. So just when you're first starting out, it's going to heat up. So it's technically about 7 minutes. Give it about 7 or 8 minutes and then come back and flip them to go on the other side. So we'll be right back when that side's done. Okay, now let's take another peek at this. Oh, those are looking good. Good. So what I want to do, I just want to check the other side. Oh, those are looking really good. You know what? Those I'm going to say are done. Yeah, those are done. So let me go grab a plate real quick. Okay, so there are the wings all nicely done because these are for my lunch and they just came out of the Foodi. I'm just going to put a little bit more barbecue sauce on these just to have a little extra flavor in. Not too much. You want to let these cool down before you bite into them because they are really piping hot. So hopefully I won't starve too much when I have this surgery done. And depending on how I feel, maybe I'll make a few videos of my surgery and how I'm recovering. So see you on the next one, and hopefully it won't be too long. Bye-bye.